Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a day in my life vlog. I haven't done one of these in a while and today's Sunday, so I felt like it was a fun day to show you guys my day in my life routine. So anyway, first we're starting with cleaning. That's not necessarily fun, but it's part of the routine. And then I also am doing pictures with my friend later, so I'm like mid getting ready right now. But I want to show you guys the jewelry I'm picking out, the outfits I'm styling, and then I'm going to do a hot rollers tutorial. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I have been using hot rollers in my hair a ton lately. So I'm going to walk you through all the details for how I'm doing that. And then I'm going to do a little BTS of my shoot afternoon with my friend Luisa and just bring you along throughout the rest of the day. So before we dive in, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's get to cleaning. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready now, and while my curlers are heating up, I want to talk to you guys about my jewelry. So I keep all my jewelry like spread in so many random spots around my house, but I just got in some new pieces from Luisa. You guys know I love them and I've talked to you guys about them a lot, but they actually are having their biggest sale of the year right now. So you can buy one item and get 60% off the other. So I want to show you guys some new items because I'm obsessed. So first I got these two rings. I love them. I love rings. You guys know I love to like have fun nails. I went with like more of a neutral brown nail right now, but I love to have fun rings because I feel like it sort of like draws the eye to my fun nails. I just like admire the mani. I know you guys do this too, so don't even try to play having cute rings. You're like staring at your hands. So anyway, I got these two rings. I love this middle one because it has that pop of green. You guys know I've been going through a major green phase. I have multiple green things on the rack even behind me right now. But then also this little other one is a nice sort of accent ring. I feel like it's one that you can wear if you're like very into simple jewelry, but for me, I love that I have a little bit more of a bold one tied with this accent ring. And then I'm so excited, I got a chain link bracelet. So I'm gonna put this on and I'm gonna show you. So here's the bracelet on. It is so cute. First of all, I just need to say props to Luisa because that was the easiest bracelet I think I've ever put on by myself. I love when it's easy to put on jewelry. So anyway, this is what it looks like. Like I said, it's a chain link bracelet and it's really fun because I feel like it's both bold and simple, which again, talking about the rings, I love that sort of combination. So it definitely makes a statement just because it is like wow worthy, but it's simple enough where it's not distracting or overpowering your overall look. So I love this combination, and like I said, you guys really need to check out their Black Friday sale. Again, you can buy one item and get the next for 60% off, which is major. That is their biggest sale they will have all year long. So I'll leave the link down below for you guys to check it out. And now let's go ahead and finish getting ready. All right, you guys, I just had to run out and get Starbucks. I have gotten so addicted to Starbucks. It's crazy, but I can feel myself already needing caffeine for the day. So I went ahead and got Starbucks. I actually get a venti iced latte with oat milk and light ice. It's so good. It's addicting. You guys need to try it. It's the only coffee at this point I'm drinking other than at home coffee. But now I want to do the hair tutorial because it's very easy, but I feel like hot rollers are not so much a thing yet. And I mean, I just only recently got the hot rollers and they have seriously been game changing. If you guys aren't familiar with hot rollers, mine are from T3. I'll show you guys right here. They're already turned on. It's plugged into the wall, but it's really cool because basically I just use these rollers once they're heated up and I put them all throughout my hair. And then usually I'll do that before I do my makeup, and then by the time I'm done doing my makeup, I just take the hot rollers out and my hair is like, whew, it's so easy. Like I'm not standing here and curling everything one by one. It's just doing its magic, and it's kind of fun because every time you take them out, it's a little bit different. So anyway, I want to do a tutorial. The first step is your bangs if you have bangs. So what I like to do is clip the rest of my hair back and just get it out of my face, and then I pull all my bangs forward. So now that I have my bangs, I like to group them, and then I take one of the smaller hot rollers and I'm just going to put it in my hair, wrap the hair around it, and roll it up towards the top of my head. I try to keep the hair as like smooth and flat as possible as I'm doing this, so you guys can see it's like a little bit messy, but honestly that's kind of the beauty of hot rollers. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then the hot rollers came with these clips, so I just stick a clip in my hair, and that's how the first one looks. So basically I just do that section by section in my whole head. Typically I use the smaller rollers close to my face, and then the bigger rollers I'll put like bigger chunks of hair towards the back. And I use all the rollers to do my whole head, so I'm basically just going to do the same process where I take a small section of my hair. So I like to do like side by side. You don't have to clip it back, it just makes it easier for me to do a little section by section. But let's say I take this front piece here. So I'm going to do the exact same thing, trying to make it nice and smooth. Take one of my hot rollers, and then I just twist it up towards my head as far as it will go. Pretty much gets stuck here, or like stops here naturally. And then I just clip it in. So I'm going to do this, like I said, for my whole head. Okay, so this is the end result. I look definitely crazy, so I'm so happy I just like do this while I'm getting ready, and then before I leave, obviously this will not be how my hair looks. But some tips that I just noticed, since I am also newer at doing the hot rollers, is sometimes they like fall down a little bit. I just will then twist it back up and clip it again. The key is to kind of like lock the clip in the hair above. Also noticed if I'm doing it on damp hair or hair that's not like 100% dry, the clips sometimes leave a little bit of a mark. If it does, I'll just plug in my typical curler and just like quickly go on top of that mark. You could do it if you have a straightener, you could take away that mark super easily. But anyway, I'm going to go pick out some outfits that I'm going to shoot with my friend Luisa in a little bit, and I'll show you guys like what the vibe is. And then we will just wait like 20 minutes and take my hair out, and I'll show you guys the end result. Here are the outfits that I think I'm going to shoot today. Typically we'll do like a few outfits in one day. I'm going to take 3. So first, this is all from Ardennes. I actually wore it on a day trip Jesse and I went on yesterday for our anniversary to Philly, and I got some really cute pictures, but I'm going to try to shoot it again just so I can have options. Next, I have some clothes from Pretty Little Thing I want to shoot. I've been like so into brown, as you guys obviously saw with my nails. So I have a whole brown outfit, and then I really like to layer hats in the colder months. So I have a hat there, hat here. I thought that would be cute, and I kind of have this Topshop purse to tie in the lighter color of the brown with the rest of the outfit. And then lastly, Just Fab shoes. So these are my boots that I recently got. And I got this really fun oversized coat from Ardennes also. It's actually a men's item, and I just thought it was really cute. I was like, well, if it doesn't work for me, maybe Jessie will like it, but honestly, I like it for me. So I'm thinking maybe if I can style this sort of as an oversized dress. I might need to wear something under it still, but dress vibes. And then with these boots, that would be really cute and cozy. So you guys can see I have like a brown and green sort of palette going. And that just helps me like when I'm planning my feed, if my clothes match or the vibes match, it just helps make it all very cohesive. Okay, moment of truth. We are going to pull out the rollers. Oh, I always love when it bounces. So basically as I pull them out, I just like drop the rollers in the bag. And then for the actual curls themselves, I try to keep them in the curl shape as much as possible. So you guys see how it's like very ringlety. If it goes straight when I pull it out, I just like twist it a bit so it lies naturally curled. So I start with the side that I did first. Oh my gosh, look at that bounce. It's so easy. Okay, and then the bangs. These always look really funny, PSA. Okay. All right, I'm gonna move the camera so I can show you guys better. Literally down on my floor, on my knees, so you guys can see this angle, but it's just easier for me if I have the mirror in the back. So now I just brush through all the curls. You guys can see there's so much volume. So this is the end result. It was so easy. I liked that I can put in the rollers and then go do other things and then come back and finish it really quickly just by brushing it through. Like I said, sometimes if I do get those little crinkles in my hair, I'll just take my curling iron, or if you guys have a straightener, you can do that too, and I'll just literally put the heat right through that crinkle from the clips. Anyway, that is the curling irons. I hope the tutorial was helpful. And now I'm just going to pack up my bag and then head over to where Risa and I are taking our pictures today, and I'll show you guys the full BTS of our shoot day.
Oh, hello. Hi.
Are you just looking around confused? Like, who's saying that?
What is happening? Hi, I'm with Risa now. We are in the Borough, which is a neighborhood over in Tyson's Corner. We're shooting. We just shot some cute pictures in the grocery store. I'll insert a little BTS. Okay.
I got your little tripod.
Oh, thank you. We are in Whole Foods right now, attempting to find somewhere cute in the aisles. We're like looking for somewhere that looks full. Maybe the water. I think it could work. So, what do you think?
Like,
I love nuts. Oh, the lighting's not bad. Now we're at the new Bluestone Lane coffee shop, and we're going to potentially get a drink and take some more pics. Oh. All the goodness. Okay, this is our third shoot location, our third outfit, and we're at a movie theater. We have the cool escalators behind us. Risa knew of this spot, so we're happy with how the photos turned out. We got the shots though.
yes.
Cheers.
That's a wrap.
Cheers.
Okay, it has been a long day. I just got home. It's like 6 o'clock. And I just went to Trader Joe's. I'm obsessed with Trader Joe's. If you guys don't shop there, get on it because it's truly the best. I wanted to do a haul of some things I got. So my stepdad's birthday is soon. I'm going to make him an apple pie as one of his gifts. So I got stuff for that. I love Trader Joe's beef and broccoli. I eat this so much. Like Jesse's always like, what are you having for dinner? Makes fun of me because I say this half the week. I eat it with rice and it's really, really good. I also got, oh my gosh, this soup is so good. Pumpkin bisque. It's a seasonal item, so if you guys are watching this in real time, make sure you get that. I already opened these in the car, but they're the veggie crisp. They're so good. My fave cereal at the moment. This one is delish. I got croissants. Oh my gosh, I love pomegranate seeds. I know a lot of you have actually told me to just buy the pomegranates and take the seeds out myself. I still have yet to do that, but I usually pick up like 1 pack of pomegranate seeds just to have in my house. And then like I got some pasta stuff, some things for lunches, etc. So that is my Trader Joe's haul. So it is a few hours later and I actually just took off my makeup. As I'm sure you guys can tell, I'm in the process of getting ready for bed, but I wanted to close out this vlog before Jesse comes over. We actually are watching Tiger King. He doesn't know that yet, but there's a new season, so we're gonna be watching that. But before I end, I wanted to remind you guys to be sure to check out Ana Luisa's sale. It is insane. So like I mentioned, you guys can buy 1 item, get 1 item 60% off, which again is their biggest sale all year. So be sure to check the description box below and you guys can find really cute pieces like these or so many other ones on their site. So with all that said, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It means so much to me when you guys subscribe. So thank you guys for watching and I will catch you in the next one.